Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hogwarts Legacy and you keep getting this error, the following components are required to run this program: Microsoft Visual C++ Runtime. Then you have come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Hogwarts Legacy easily. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to go on to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video, and here you're just going to click download, and then you're going to download this software. Just select any server from here, click start download, and download and install all of these runtime softwares. And after that, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with restarting your computer, now you're going to open up your games launcher and you're going to try to play Hogwarts Legacy, and you'll see that you will not get that runtime error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.